Hey everybody and welcome. In this video we're going to show a way and how you can get this dark mode-esque theme in Google Docs. This doesn't need any coding, it doesn't need any add-ons, it's just using some of the settings already built in. You can get something like this, and this is just the header so I can delete it if you don't want that portion of it. There will be some things around, like up at the top here with the doc tabs and the sidebar that isn't dark theme, but you can at least get a good amount of it. Unfortunately, the tools wouldn't be showing if you're doing this, but you can simply get those back up. It'll just kind of ruin the dark mode. This is what we're ending up making, and you can save this as your default. I'll have a link to a copy you can make and just start working if you want to do that, but I'll quickly show how you can get these settings going. Alright, so here I am in just a normal Google document with basically the defaults. I have all this text out here just so that I don't have to go through and do all of it on the screen to save some time for you watching. But I'm going to switch this text to this text font just because I prefer it myself. It's up to you on what ones you want. But basically what you need to do is you need to go to File, Page Setup, and you can go to Pageless. When you do Pageless, you can actually select the background color, so you can do as dark as you want, or you can kind of do a variation of it if you want kind of this purpley. I'm just going to choose black, and now you can't really see anything here. What I'm going to do is take all this text here, highlight it, or you can do Control or Command A to highlight everything. Go here and just select the white. Now some of it had like different levels, so like here if you want to kind of make this like more of the subtitle grayish, and then I think these ones kind of had it too, up to you. It kind of makes this show a little bit more of a change with it, but essentially you can switch this how you want. Now in this one, if you want everything to have this kind of default, what you have to do is go here, which is showing the paragraph styles. Alternatively, you can go to Format, Paragraph Styles, and then see all of those. But I'm going to just go back to here. So I'm going to select this here, go to Title, and then update Title to match. So then here you can see the title is now white, and that will actually change all title if you use the like format everything rule. So we'll get there. Here, subtitle, and then update the subtitle to match. And I'm just going to do that with the rest of it, probably in a fast edit versus showing all of them. All right. And so now you can see all of them are in this white text here. All of these going forward will actually show that. And let's say that you do something else, like under header 1, write some text, and maybe at one point this was already made and it was like this, different color, whatever. You highlight the section, and you can actually do Control A again and highlight everything and do Command, and it would be backslash. That's going to set all of them to the default text style. And so that would allow you, if you have a large document that you want to change from whatever style it was into this dark mode, you can do that. Or you can just use this template. Now, you can just use the template and then be done with this. That's totally fine and a way to do it. If you don't want this white up here, you can actually go to View, Full Screen, and that's how you get to this screen as I showed at the start. I'm going to push Escape to get out of that just to show the different tools. But one other thing you can do, and I will give it with a warning, it's up to you if you want to. When you go to this paragraph styles, you can go down to Options. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. Back here, paragraph styles, you can go to Options, and you can actually save it as your default style. Right now, this is just the style of this document. So let's say that you add a new document tab here, and you go here, you can see it still has this same title. So if you go to, you can see here, this is all dark mode. But if you make a new doc, you can see it goes back to the light mode. So that's where it depends. If you want this to be your default going forward with all new documents, you can go to Styles, Option, and you can actually save as my default styles. Now, if you do that, it means going forward, every time you push new file, every time you push like a new tab and things like that, it will go to this dark mode. So you may or may not want that. So now those styles are there. The other thing you'll have to do if you want this as default is you're going to have to go back to page setup and set this as your default too. Otherwise, if you push make a new copy, it'll be white text on a white background. And so I'm going to push set as default as well. And then now, if you push new document, you can see here, now we're in the dark mode by default. If you're doing this and printing, printer will have it there, so this is not a very good option if you're constantly doing printing. Now again, with the different styles, if you have like a document in dark mode as kind of what you're editing when you like to edit in dark, and then move the text over to kind of your default white style, you can totally do that. And that's what I would recommend if you're printing a lot. If you're not, this might be something that you want to set as a default. Otherwise, I'd recommend take that template that I had, make a copy of it anytime you want to write in dark mode. Then if you ever need to print, you can take that text, copy and paste it over into another doc, and then switch it there. All that to say, a lot of work to get the dark mode. I really hope that dark theme will just be default or an option on there. Dark theme is already on the mobile apps, so it'd be nice if it would just be like that here on these ones. Just showing this on the phone, you can see that it does still have this theme. And if you go in here and view it in light or dark theme, you can see that it is the same. Outside of the dark mode, you can see that it kind of changed the text ever so slightly. Light theme, we'll show it there. Do keep that in mind as well if you are constantly switching from mobile to document you're using. Hopefully you find this helpful if you're kind of like me, who really likes using dark modes in basically everything. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do those social things, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.